Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'll give you a short tour into using Jupyter Notebooks through Collaboratory, or Colab for short, which is a Google product and it's free to use. It's called Collaboratory because this tool allows you to collaborate with other people while coding. We are, however, not interested in that feature of this tool. We're simply interested in having a quick solution to write and run Python code and keep notes. So let me show how that is possible. This is normally the view you should see when you have just signed in for Collaboratory, and then you want to go to File and New Notebook to create a notebook file where you write Python code and notes along the code. You see these two buttons here. You can add code. So that is a cell where you can write Python code and execute with Control-Enter. And you get the output under the cell. You can write as many lines as you want. Control-Enter to execute again. So that is how you write code. But you can also write notes using that text button. So that will add a text box where you can write anything you like. For example, creating classes. Once you are done with writing the content inside that text cell, you can press Shift-Enter to execute that cell. And that will take you to a new code cell by default, where you can write some more code. Press Control-Enter to execute it, but you can also press Shift-Enter when you are in a code cell, and that will create a new code cell. It will execute that current cell and it will create a new code cell. If you want to change the font of that text cell, you can press that 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, depending what you want the font to be. So with 3 times, that means a heading of 3, an H3 heading, in other words. If you want the text to be big, you can write just one of that symbol. So you can write them like that manually or press that icon there. And of course you have other tools here which you can use to format your text notes. You can rename your notebook in here. Learn classes. Don't remove the IPYNB extension. So that is the extension for Jupyter Notebooks. If you go here, you'll see a table of contents for your Jupyter Notebook. So creating classes is one of the headings. If you have more headings, for example, you can add here another heading, that will show up there. If you want to modify cells, of course, you can click them and you can add more code. You can also delete a cell. For example, right click here and go to delete cell, and that will disappear. Let's try one more time with this. Delete cell. And so we have no more cells. To create a new cell, click on code or text, depending what cell you want, and so on. To find your files, you can go here, click that, and that will take you to Google Drive. So basically that's your Jupyter Notebook. Double click it to open it again, and it will open on the Colab website. And that was a quick tour on using Jupyter Notebooks through the Google Colab tool. Thanks for following. I'll talk to you later.